Alright, there's Leanne out there fishing away. She's in her glory. I just limited out, so I had to come in, get some, put my fishing pole away and stuff, and now I got some fish to clean here in a little while. So Leanne's down there fishing away. There we go, that's what I was looking for. Thingy on my thing. There's her silvers with her now. I'm using my tripod and I'm filming right out of the RV. This is pretty much our view from the RV every morning. It's kind of cool. So hopefully Leanne's got 3 more fish to go. And hopefully she'll catch them here before dark. And then tomorrow we get to start all over again. Alright everybody, we'll get back to you. God bless. Alright guys and gals, got a fresh new battery in. My battery went dead. I'm going to give you a little scan of our lake from our view here. Why do I only got one? Huh, that's crazy. We got it working? Alright. Anyway, this is our view from the RV every morning. It's pretty cool. I'll get back to Leanne fishing. Whoops. There we go, the wrong way. That's Leanne in her glory right there. She's fishing away. For some reason I don't have stereo in here. Anyway, we'll get back to you. Hey, welcome back to our channel, guys and gals. I'd like to do a special shout out to WD Glockandroll and His Way Homestead for the hat. It's been my lucky deer hunting hat and fishing hat. And those are all the accessories that you need for a cool looking hat, in my opinion. So thanks to Doug at His Way Homestead. We'll get back to you. God bless everybody. We'll see you in a little bit.